The Reset Retreat is something anybody who is investing in their professional journey can benefit from.
It's just extraordinary how quickly one can really take a deep dive and really quiet the mind and soften the body.
I found the whole experience to be incredibly renewing and nourishing, and it fed me very, very deeply. And I look forward to my next experience.
The resonance is so big that I learned so much from the group, and I learned so much from myself.
And it was exactly the reset that I needed. I met wonderful people for business connections, accountability, friendships. Who knows what might come out of it. So if you're thinking about the retreat, I would encourage you to do it. It was just such an amazing, amazing experience.
Everyone was committed to the retreat, committed to the process, committed to interaction with other attendees in a really genuine way.
Spencer has a way of really bringing forth the deepest thoughts and experiences in the course of a couple of days with such beauty and ease around. It's hard to beat. Highly recommend it.
A lot of retreats are quite structured, and I have found them to be very linear in terms of the journey from where I was to where I'm expected to be. The expansive nature of this particular approach, of Spencer's unique approach to holding space for professionals, really created a universal, as in everyone in the group had a breakthrough or had something shift profoundly for them.